is the Chicago snowstorm. Very high in the snow. It's about against the car. Look. Pretty broken pot over there. Still standing. It's like a barrier or something around it. It's like a foot of snow. It's like a lot of buried cars. Like so. The neighborhood. Oh, I should wear gloves. Shit. And the neighborhood. Can't get through. The streets are barely plowed. Pretty bad, I guess. About 3 feet. That's better. This is a abandoned here, a lot of cars are buried. A lot of snow. Lots and lots of snow. Houses down. Pretty bad. I have to shovel my driveway in 20 minutes or so, but it's pretty bad out here. I don't know if you can see, but some